Hello everyone, this is Saad Ahmed and today I have brought another useful tutorial for you people. So basically in this tutorial we will learn how to create clickable hyperlinks on the editable InDesign file or for the non-editable file as well. The non-editable file can be of a JPG format, it can be of non-editable PDF. So we will quickly learn both these things in this short video. As you can see, this is an InDesign file and we have an editable text in it. So in order to create the hyperlink for this heading, so we need to select the type tool, select the entire text, right click, go to hyperlink, new hyperlink, and you can put any hyperlink that you want to incorporate and it will take you to the address. Okay, so let's see the output. It is page number 3, so we will put only the page number 3, select the range and export. Okay, as you can see that here is the PDF, and when I click on this heading it will take me to the hyperlink that I have incorporated. Okay, so that was very much easier. Okay, one thing that I forgot to mention, that you can keep the formatting of the heading same. Go to select the text, go to hyperlink, edit hyperlink and select none. Okay, so now you can see the headings of both are in the same formatting but it is clickable. Okay, so that was for the editable InDesign file. So now let's take another example of ineditable file. Let's say we have a document and let's import, just for an example, let's take this one. This is a JPG image, okay, and place it over here. As you can see that this file cannot be edited, okay, because it is an image, but you want to incorporate a hyperlink in it and create an editable version of PDF editable version. So the hyperlink can be incorporated doing the same thing. Select the rectangle frame tool over here, select the portion where you want to place the hyperlink. Let's say I have created here at the logo, and simply right click, go to hyperlinks, new hyperlinks, again enter the hyperlink, select OK and do the same, file, export, save it and export. Okay, now you can see the file is open, that is the JPG version, but you can see that this is clickable. So we have incorporated a hyperlink on the document that was ineditable. So this can also be achieved using the Adobe InDesign. I hope you must have liked this tutorial and will be helpful for you. Thanks.